Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to avoid ferries on Google Maps. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go open Google Maps, put your destination, and after that, just you have to wait a few seconds. After that, click on directions. And as you can see near to your location or the location that you choose to start your travel, there is 3 points. Click on them. And after that, click on options. And as you can see, the third option is avoid ferries for people who are walking, cycling and driving. You have just to choose it, and like that you will avoid ferries on your travel when you are using Google Maps. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in